All right, let's talk about something you see on almost every single receipt, but maybe you've never really thought about it. What is that? Well, today, we're going to break down value-added tax in Saudi Arabia. Super simple. By the end of this quick explainer, you'll know exactly what it is, how it works, and who's really paying for it.
You know the feeling, right? You grab a coffee, you pay, you look at the receipt, and there it is, that little extra charge. We've all seen it. But what exactly is that 15% for? And where does that money actually go? Let's dive in.
And that number is, of course, 15%. This is the standard rate for what's called value-added tax, or VAT, here in the kingdom. Now, it's a massive part of the economy, but the idea behind it is actually surprisingly simple. So let's start at the very beginning.
First up, what in the world is VAT? Let's get right into the big idea behind this tax and see how it plays out in a normal, everyday purchase. Okay, so at its core, VAT is pretty straightforward. It's a 15% tax that businesses are required to add to the price of most things they sell, whether it's goods or services. But here's the most important part. It's a tax on consumption. You only pay it when you actually buy something.
And this is a perfect example of how it works in real life. Let's say your coffee costs 10 riyals. The coffee shop adds 15% for VAT, which is 1.5 riyals. And boom, your final bill comes out to 11.50. Simple as that. It's just the base price plus the tax.
Okay, so the business adds the tax. That makes sense. But that leads to a really important question. Who is really paying for it? Let's look at who's involved in any sale.
This slide really clarifies the roles. Think of the business, the store, the restaurant, as kind of like a temporary tax collector. They're not paying the tax themselves. They collect that 15% from you, the customer, and then they just pass that money along to the government. So when it comes down to it, the final buyer is the one who actually foots the bill.
Let's use another example just to make sure this really sinks in. Say you're at the mall and you buy a new pair of shoes. The price tag says 200 riyals, but when you get to the register, the total is 230. That extra 30 riyals, that's the VAT. The retailer collects it, sure, but it's your money that's actually paying that tax.
And it's not just about shopping locally. The rule really applies in two main situations. First, any VAT-registered business in Saudi Arabia has to charge it. But second, and this is a big one that people forget, if you personally import something from another country, you still have to pay VAT on that item when it comes into Saudi Arabia.
So this brings up a really great question. Does this 15% tax get slapped onto literally every single sale that happens? Like if you sell your old bike to a friend, do you need to add VAT? Well, the answer is no, and understanding this difference is super important.
So there's an official term for a sale that gets taxed. It's called a taxable supply. I know, it sounds a little formal, but all it really means is any sale that happens as part of a business activity. And those two words, business activity, are everything.
And this slide lays it out perfectly. A store selling you a new laptop? Well, that's their business, so yeah, that's a taxable sale. But you selling your old bike to a friend? That's a private, personal sale. It's not a business activity, so nope, no VAT is involved. It's as simple as that. All right, we've covered a fair bit pretty quickly here. So let's just do a quick recap and lock in the most important things to remember from all of this.
So if you walk away with just 3 things, make it these. Number 1, VAT is a 15% tax on business sales. Number 2, the business is just the collector. You, the final customer, are the one who actually pays it. And number 3, it only applies to business sales, what they call taxable supplies, not your own personal sales to other people.
So the next time you're out and you get a receipt, take a look at that 15% charge. It's not just some mystery number anymore. Now you know exactly what it is, how it works, and why it's there. Hope this helped clear things up.